it's Genesis, and today I have another video planned for you guys. So today I am going to be reviewing this Crayola Create Your Own Confetti Bath Bomb. So I got this from my aunt Titi Elizabeth, and she got me it. So now I'm going to be reviewing it. So we have the box, now it's time to cut it open. Can't forget the instructions. So we have the instructions right here, and we have all of our ingredients right here. And from home, we need a bowl, a spoon. People don't call me Nessie Messy for nothing. I need paper towels. So step 1 says, prepare your workspace. As I said earlier, they don't call me Nessie Messy for nothing. So I need something to put under this stuff. Got it. So step 2 is take 5 rounded teaspoons and add that of the bath bomb powder. So that's what we have to do. Now it's step 3. It says add the color to the mixture. So basically, I could pick my color. So the options are yellow, red, and blue. I think I'm gonna go with yellow. I've never had a yellow bath bomb. Actually, I'm gonna do green. So the instructions say to put 20 drops, and I want to make green, so I'm gonna add 10 drops of yellow and 10 drops of blue. So step 4 says add fragrance oil to your mix. Add 3 drops of fragrance oil into the mixture and combine well. So the scent, it's very vanilla scented fragrance oil. It smells just like a vanilla scented Yankee candle. 1, 2, 3. Now it says to stir it well. Step 5 says to measure out and pour in 2 level tablespoons of baking soda. So the baking soda is right here, and I need to open it up. Now I need 2 level tablespoons. So level it out. 1, 2. Then it says mix with your fingers until all ingredients are blended. Given that I'm a slime fanatic, this is my favorite part. Then it says add 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil, coconut oil, or vegetable oil and completely combined into mixture. Then slowly sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of water with one hand while mixing with the other. Okay, so now we get our vegetable oil, and we're going to add in half of this 1/2 teaspoon because 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1/2. That's why they call me Nessie Messy. That's 1/4. Add that in. Then it says completely combined into mixture. So we have to mix that in all the way with them, all the powders and stuff. This, you guys, feels like the softest thing in the world. It feels like I'm walking on a cloud. Not that I've ever done that. Then what it says is then slowly sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of water while mixing with the other. So we have our teaspoon. Clean it out before we add water into it. So have my mason jar. 1 teaspoon of water while mixing with the other hand. It's foaming. Then what it says, you guys, we're on step 6. Adding confetti to the mixture. Count out 10 confetti flakes and add to the mixture. So the confetti flakes are right here and they're cool coconut scented. They're pink. So we have to count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it says we're on step 7. Pack the mixture into the mold. Fill each side of the mold with the mixture. Fill little by little, lightly pressing it down with your fingers to ensure it is packed. Fill it all the way to the edges until there's no room. Align the tabs on each side of the molds and press together. Squeeze sides together completely. If the two halves don't combine in the mold, press together manually. So basically, I have to get my mold, my bath bomb mold, open it up, and then it says to put it evenly on each side, all the way. Then it says to smoothen it out with your fingers. And here's a cool project. Next side. So now it says that we have to close the bath bomb. I got it. Okay, put that right there. Then it says, for step 8, we have to wait 3 to 5 minutes. So I will see you guys in 3 to 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Okay guys, so the bath bomb is done. Sounds pretty done. Now let's open it. Got the bath bomb, you guys. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it. Next thing you know, I break it. Oh. Okay. Oh, that looks good. Oh. Okay guys, so I tried my best. It was really fun. The project was fun. It was just the molding was not the best. Here's what I got. But other than that, I really enjoyed doing this experiment. It was really fun. I definitely recommend this kit. It's really fun, so like if you're bored on the day and you have it around, you could just do it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. Emoji of the day will be right here on the screen. It's gonna be a box emoji. But before I end the video, if you guys want to be entered a giveaway when I reach 400 subscribers, click that eye up here so you can watch that video on what the giveaway is about and how to enter it. See you guys all next time. Goodbye.